Okay, this is a repair update on the Skytrainer 182. I have gotten the front gear straightened out, reattached. It was bent pretty severely. I do have a replacement on order, but it may be a while before I get it. But I'll have it. And then moving around, as you can see, everything has been reattached. It did tear off both elevators, and it also separated the connecting rod, or a joiner. And as you can see, I had some nylon hinges from back in my balsa days, so I've installed 2 nylon hinges on each of the elevators, and they seem to be working rather well. And everything has been reattached. Fortunately, the vertical stabilizer and the rudder weren't damaged, they just separated. Apparently the glue I used wasn't that great, which I guess is a good thing. Kept it from being damaged worse. But this is kind of where we are. The one thing I do have, I suspect caused the problem, was the nose steering linkage. The clevis pulled out of the rod, and I think at that point the nose wheel went hard left and the plane followed. So hopefully we'll have her ready for a maiden here very shortly. Thanks.